Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, knowing the right tools can make all the difference. Let's get started. Trowel. Trowel. Spade. Spade. Shovel. Shovel. Garden fork. Garden fork. Hoe. Hoe. Rake. Rake. Pruning shears. Pruning shears. Loppers. Loppers. Hand cultivator. Hand cultivator. Garden hose. Garden hose. Watering can. Watering can. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Garden gloves. Garden gloves. Garden kneeler. Garden kneeler. Lawn mower. Lawn mower. Hedge trimmer. Hedge trimmer. Leaf blower. Leaf blower. Edging shears. Edging shears. Weeder. Weeder. Garden scissors. Garden scissors. Planting dibble. Planting dibble. Garden sprayer. Garden sprayer. Soil knife. Soil knife. Seedling tray. Seedling tray. Garden twine. Garden twine. Garden cloche. Garden cloche. Greenhouse. Greenhouse. Garden sieve. Garden sieve. Compost bin. Compost bin. Garden auger. Garden auger. Garden cart. Garden cart. Garden trowel. Garden trowel. Soil scoop. Soil scoop. Hand rake. Hand rake. Bulb planter. Bulb planter. Garden hoe. Garden hoe. Garden mattock. Garden mattock. Border spade. Border spade. Garden dibber. Garden dibber. Garden hoe. Garden hoe. Garden scoop. Garden scoop. weeding knife, weeding knife, garden knife, garden knife, irrigation system, irrigation system, sprinkler, sprinkler, tree pruner, tree pruner, garden rake, garden rake, garden sprayer, garden sprayer, seed spreader, seed spreader, garden fork, garden fork, garden netting, garden netting, garden stakes, garden stakes, garden grid, garden grid, plant ties, plant ties, garden marker, garden marker. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the names of over 50 essential gardening tools in English. We'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!